Welcome to A Passion for Detailing. My name is Kiran and thank you for joining me again. Before we go any further, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks or how-to videos. The wait is over. The new ceramic detailer from GYEON. I love their packaging, I love their products, and this is the new one. It's a SiO2 based ceramic detailing spray from GYEON, very similar to their quick detailer, but obviously SiO2 infused. This is going to really help if you've got a ceramic coating on your car already, and when you do your maintenance washes, you can use this on a wet panel or a dry panel. You can use this as a standalone product, but it's not going to give you massive durability. There's no claims that this gives you a year's protection, 2 years protection, but as a maintenance product after your washing process, this is going to be the go-to thing. It's SiO2 base infused, so it should give you amazing hydrophobic properties that we all love seeing on our cars, but it's also going to make the car look slick and really glossy. What I will say, folks, is please remember, don't use this on a dirty, dusty car, because this is not going to do your paintwork any good. It is definitely going to cause you swirls, marring and any other problems that you've spent a lot of time trying to get rid of. So sit back, relax, and let's get out of there. So we're going to use the GYEON ceramic detailer. As I said to you before, you can do this on a dry and a wet panel. I'm going to demonstrate this now on a wet panel. I love using quick detailers on wet panels. It really does help build great gloss, but what it does do is it lubricates the surface to stop getting swirls and scratches that you get from the drying process. So a little goes a long way. So you just spritz a small amount on the surface and using a good quality drying towel. We're going to just dry the panel. Once you've done that, using a good quality buffing cloth, just go over the panel to finish it off, to get any rest of the residue off. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks or future content. Anyway, we're now going to do this on a dry panel. Very simple. You just spritz a small amount of ceramic detailer on the panel using a good quality buffing cloth. Wipe it over the panel. This feels absolutely amazing and it smells great. The gloss and the ease of application. Everything in detailing is about ease of application and quality, and I think GYEON do that absolutely perfectly. For all you ceramic coating lovers, you're going to absolutely love this product. It's easy to use, very simple. You can get fantastic results that you can see here. So you get your gloss, you're going to get hydrophobic properties and some durability also. Again, this is a maintenance product on top of your ceramic coating or other sealant that you may be using. I would buy this again if you're doing your maintenance washes and you're got a ceramic coating on your car. This is your go-to product. I think this is well worth the money. Top tip for this, for you guys, is to make your life detailing at home a lot easier. Use it on a wet panel, spritz it, dry it with a good quality drying towel, and then buff with a microfiber, and you'll get an amazing result. I hope you enjoyed this sort of content. Again, thank you. Big thumbs up. Subscribe in the bottom. I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to show you a quick shot of the hydrophobic properties of this product. You're going to be amazed. Really hydrophobic. Definitely what you want from this sort of product. There you are. Absolutely beading to the max.